Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes. It's the GLA. It's the AMG line as well, in absolutely lovely condition. You see it's got front park distance control, lovely upgraded alloy wheels, which are the diamond cut. It's got a lot of extras on this car as well. Got privacy glass, paintwork is just popping on it. You've got rear park distance control, deeper AMG rear diffuser. It's a 220, it's 4MATIC as well. Really is in lovely condition. Electric rear tailgate. Got the rear parcel shelf. This is where it gets nice. You've got the upgraded, exclusive, proper leather interior with the red perforations and the piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, and the full leather exclusive pack follows through to the seats in the front and also the dashboard. It's a very rare option, you don't see many like that. It's done 82,029 miles, 82,029,000 miles. It's automatic, headlights. Right, you've got 3-stage heated seats, DSR, dynamic select, satellite navigation. The screen isn't flickering, that's just a shutter speed on the camera, that is. It's just a reverse camera as well. Media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, aircon's blown beautifully and cold. So 3-stage heated seats, dynamic select, so it brings you up all the different driving modes. Cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.